What's up, everyone?
Hey!
And welcome back to the lot today with Asian on duty. I'm Saint.
So today is 16 February.
This is a lot today. And if you don't know what is a lot today in Thailand, please go back to the last video that I upload. I will link on in the description box on and also in the card over here. I just bought the lotto with my sister. We are going to buy a lotto for
Lotto day.
yeah, for lotto day. For lotto day on the 16th of February. And do you have a number in your mind already?
I don't have any number, but the bird just tried to landing on my head. Just now, it just happened now. A bird trying to landing on my head. So I searching for like if bird trying to landing on your head, what number is the lucky number? So I found it is like every number, all of the numbers. So I decided to buy the same number as last time. It's my house number. So yeah, that number.
What's that number?
It's 87.
Okay, as you can. For me?
Yeah.
I have no idea. Yeah, because I didn't deem anything or what number in my mind. I just want to look at the number and which one that I like, I will pick it up.
Okay, so
Let's see.
we're gonna be a millionaire in a few days. I'm going with the same number as last time, so it ends with 87. So it's my, how do you say that, my house number. It's not a full number, but it's a part of.
I bought 919323. That is a beautiful number, but I bought this one with no reason. Yeah, let's see. What's that? 39.
39
It's 39.
นะคะรางวัลเลขท้าย2ตัวงวดประ
For
จำวัน
mine
ที่
is 23.
2561เลขที่ออก39
I have to go to check on the website. ตรวจหวย so it means check lotto checking. So I'm gonna be a millionaire soon. Okay, this is my number, and let's see. I'm so excited.
รางวัลเลขหน้า3ตัวรางวัลเลขท้าย3ตัวพร้อมด้วยรางวัลเลขท้าย2ตัวออกไปครบแล้วนะคะต่อไปจะทำการออกรางวัลที่1พร้อมแล้ว
It's not close to me.
รางวัลที่1
Okay. Okay, it's a big one. It's a big prize. It's a big prize. It's a big prize.
กุมภาพันธ์พุทธศักราช
So excited.
2561เลขที่ออก
What's that? I can't see.
309915
Okay.
309915ไปค่ะ
Whatever.
914
I don't want to see you anymore.
Okay, I miss it again. I miss it again. I miss it again. The bird just tried to landing on my head. Let's see. Next time, I'm gonna be a millionaire soon. See you in the next Lotto days. Bye!